Hey guys, today's recipe is purple whole peas and okra. If you're making this for New Year's in the South, it's a tradition to have peas and something green for New Year's, so you have all of that here in one bowl. The saying goes that if you have peas and you have something green for New Year's, it brings you good luck all throughout the year. So what you're going to need is purple whole peas, just out of the frozen section, and we're doing the same thing with the okra. It's already cut for you. Alright, and then we're also going to use smoked turkey neck. Y'all, this is awesome, great for flavor. You can eat this, you just have to try it. If you can get this in your area, you definitely want to pick it up. You don't have to use it, but if you can find it, you definitely want to get it. Alright, and then we're also going to use diced onion. And then of course the seasonings, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt, and seasoned salt. Okay, so we're going to start off by putting our smoked turkey neck in a pot. We're going to cover it with water and we're going to cook this for about an hour. So first we're going to let this turkey neck come to, the water come to a boil. And then at that point you can go ahead and put your lid on your pot. You want to cook your turkey neck for about an hour to make sure it gets nice and tender. This is about an hour later, so we're going to go ahead and add our peas. And then add your onion. You don't have to pour off any of your water at this point. If you need to, you can do that at the end. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. So there's our seasoned salt. We're not going to add a ton of seasoning because the smoked turkey neck adds plenty of seasoning into the dish as well. Okay, so we're going to add our garlic salt. And then we're going to add our garlic powder and our onion powder, and lastly our pepper. So it may look like it's a lot of seasoning, but it's not. Remember, peas absorb a lot of seasoning, okra does kind of, and then we have quite a bit of water in this dish, so you want to have a good balance of seasoning. The smoked turkey neck doesn't make your water just super salty, but it does make it really flavorful. Okay, so just throw that together, get that extra seasoning off your smoked turkey neck. Okay, and then you also want to make sure that you go ahead and bring your peas to a boil, and then you put the lid on them. Alright, and you just leave a little bit of a vent so they can breathe. Okay, so you want to cook your peas for about 30 minutes or until they start to get a little bit tender before you add your okra. So once they're at that point, you can go ahead and add your okra, and you can see the water has cooked down a little bit, with the peas, because like I said, the peas absorb the water. So just add your okra right in. And you also want to go ahead and bring your dish back up to temperature, so you want to get this boiling as well. It's going to take a few minutes, right, because the okra is frozen, so just be patient. Alright, so put the lid on it again. We're going to let it vent. Alright, so we've been cooking this for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want to give your okra some time to really cook and get tender. So we're about at the halfway point of that now. Alright, so we're coming back. Now we're at the 20-30 minute point, and you can see the water has really cooked down. But I'm going to go ahead and drain some of the water out of this pot. Alright, so we've done that. We still have plenty of liquid in the pot, right? Okay, and everything is good to go. So we can go ahead and plate at this point. So you definitely want to make sure that you taste also before you go ahead and turn your heat off, because you can add more seasoning. Cook it for about 5 minutes just to really let the seasoning absorb before you take it off the heat. Alright, y'all, just put it in a nice little pretty dish, and this is a good side dish. You can serve this with cornbread, and you're definitely good to go. Make sure that you have your pork if you're making this for New Year's. Y'all, and that is so simple. There's a couple ingredients. Grab your vegetables out of your frozen section to make it easier on yourself. As always, we hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like it, share it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll definitely catch you next time.